Good afternoon, everyone. This is Quinny Clem with Quinny's Book Talk and Reviews. How y'all doing today? How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Well, I've been doing okay. I hope everybody is too. I came on here today to talk about what our country has been going through. And I just want to reiterate some of the things because today I went out and it frustrated me. But I had to remember that what was going on in the world. So with that being said, if you feel sick, stay at home. Do not go to work. If your children are sick, keep them at home and contact their medical provider. If you're an older person or you have a serious underlying health condition, stay at home and away from other people. Now, I know this is hard to do, but you can do it. If someone in your home has tested positive, keep the entire household at home. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't have to go out, don't go out. Like I was saying, I went out today to the doctor, and now they're not even letting you sit in the waiting room. You go to the door, basically. They give you a mask, and they tell you they will call you on the phone to come in, or they come to the door and motion for you to come in the building. They will take you straight back to your room, and the doctor or the nurse is actually not touching you. And that kind of frustrated me because I was like, well, why am I going in here? He could have did a video chat, but anyway, it is what it is. But like I said, it frustrated me. Then I had to think about it. And then come to think about it, when the doctor came in, he didn't. All that he had on was a mask. He didn't even have on no gloves. But I guess he said he wasn't touching me, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, work and study from home if it is at all possible. Avoid social gatherings with groups of 10 or more. I think that changed down and went down to 3. Avoid eating and drinking at bars and restaurants, which I think most of them have closed up, and you have to use either pickup or delivery options. There's always Bite Squad, Grubhub, DoorDash. Can't think of no more right now, but at least those 3. Avoid traveling, whether it's shopping, trips, social visits. Stop going to people's house. A lot of people's like, you come to my house, I'm not letting you in, even if you're my mama. So just stop so we can get this under control. The more you go out, the more people is getting it, the more people are dying. And the rate of fatalities are going up higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. So please, y'all, if y'all don't listen to nothing else I say, stay home if you have to. Now, I know if you have to get out and go, but try to minimize the trips outside. And I think they done stop. You can't visit nursing homes or retirement homes or long-term care facilities. You cannot visit those, I think, now, unless it's like a life or death situation. But with that being said, it was somewhere, I don't know where in the United States, but it was a mother dying, and the nurse that was taking care of the mother in the hospital knew that she was right at her last breath. Got her cell phone out, called the daughter of the dying woman, and they FaceTime right before she took her last breath. And I want to commend that nurse for doing that. She could get fired, I don't know, but I applaud that nurse for doing that, because I probably would have did the same thing. And I think during the phone call or during the FaceTime, I think the lady actually died. And let's always practice good hygiene. We've been doing this since kindergarten, y'all. You are to wash your hands, especially when touching. It says touching any frequent used surfaces or items. Avoid touching your face. Sneeze or cough with a tissue or the inside of your elbow. So dab, sneeze. Sneeze, dab. Got it? Got it. And last, disinfect frequently used items and surfaces as much as possible. Now, I have a coworker, and when we're online talking to the students in our classroom, she always mentioned the fact, how many times have you washed your hands? How many times have you washed your hands today? So I can't stress it enough. I know y'all done heard these before. Come on, y'all. Let's get this under control. I want to go biblical on you, but I'm not today. But I just want y'all, and I want to stress, please, if you don't have to go out, please don't go out. Don't go out. Simple as that. Don't go out. Okay, let's kind of move to the next subject. Did y'all know that you are required to fill out your Census 2020? You're required by law to respond. Did y'all know that? You are required by law to respond to the 2020 census. So have you did your census today? I have. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete it. So with that being said, please fill out your census and send them back. Or you can even do it online. No, I'm not paid by census to do this, census, the government or anything. I just being a good citizen today. So with that being said, and all minds are clear, this is Queenie Clem with Queenie's Book Talk and Reviews. I'm your literary ambassador, and Queenie's Book Talk and Reviews, where I bridge relationships between the authors and readers. Happy reading. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye.